Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and in today's video, I want to address a very big scam that has recently happened, and I'm going to talk you through the details. I have written an article about this, so if you want to get the full details, check it out in the article below. The government have published a statement on this as well. So basically, here's what happened. This is the scary thing. So there was a guy called Mitchell Malin, and what he did was he told investors that he wanted to borrow money and he would use that money to invest in property, and then he would give them fixed returns and shares and whatnot. That's what he did. And his company was shut down in 2018. And in 2021, he has just been banned from being the director of a company for 14 years, because here is what he did. So he took money off people. In fact, he took as much as 13 million, and with all of the money, he only bought one house with the money. So it's a pretty shocking story. People were investing from £5,000 right up to £100,000, taking the money, no security, no guarantees, and then he was basically squandering the money, acting illegally, and the government have just published an article about it on the government website. So not good. Very, very bad. What's the lesson from this? The lesson is really important, and that is to get educated. Get educated. Have your mind open to opportunities, but don't have it so open that you've got no education, that your brain falls out, you know? And if you're investing 100 grand into someone's deal because you don't know what you're doing, why not just put 1% of that 100 grand into your education first? Pay a consultant, pay a mentor to look over the deals, pay a lawyer. I consider my lawyers as mentors. So, you know, that's a real shame that happens. There have been quite a lot of scams going around. Even in my YouTube comments, I see people pretending to be me and asking people for money. So the key is to get educated. And also, here's another thing that you can do. You can think, I don't want to get scammed. I don't want to get scammed. So you can keep holding your money and put it in the bank, and then what? Guess what? That's kind of a scam as well, because the bank will then invest it strategically because they're educated, and then your money is shrinking and depreciating. So the key in all of this is to learn how to invest, do it properly, do it yourself. And I think right now, one of the best ways to invest in property is to invest in HMOs. Buy a property and rent it out room by room. And I would love to educate and share how to do that in the right way so that it's safe, also in a strategic way so that you can buy properties, for example, in areas where Article 4 is coming in, so that you can then get the planning gain on the property. So there's a whole bunch of stuff I'd love to share with you around investing smart in properties of multiple occupancy. And I am offering a free webinar on Give Back Friday. Friday's a giveaway Friday. So if you'd like to join me on the webinar, it's coming soon. I've got a link below with all of the details. It's completely free. There is no catch. So get registered at the HMO 101 webinar. It's virtual, it's free, you can do it from your home, and I think you're gonna absolutely love it. If you enjoy my channel where I every single day put out a video educating, giving tips, then please do subscribe, smash the like button, get registered, and I'll see you on the webinar. If not, at the live in-person crash course. So have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you soon. I'm gonna be running a one-day advanced training program. It's going to be a full day, an intensive day, and I'm going to be teaching everything I know about property. Listen, I started in property when I was 17 years old. I bought my first house at 17 with no money. I'm going to be showing exactly how I did that and how you can do the same thing too. I then built up a large portfolio, multi-million-pound property portfolio. How much profit did you make the first week?
1,300.
That's not bad in a week.
I earn like £4,000 a month, and I do not do 40 hours a week.
It's almost
10,000.
Just if you
If you want around it, it's like 10,000.
And our fee for a buy site's 2.5k plus that. Our fee for we've done 4 HMOs, 3 4-beds and a 6-bed.
So from the 21st right up until about, I think, the 29th, I'm going to be touring, running my training, and the tickets are now available on the website. The tickets are free.